Good day everyone. Today you will learn how to factor polynomials using synthetic division. For example, you are asked to factor x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 4. So the first thing that you will do to determine the factors of the given polynomial is to get the constant. Okay, this polynomial is a polynomial wherein the numerical on the highest degree is equal to 1. So on that case, you will just get the constant term of the polynomial. So we have the constant term. You can write 4 or negative 4 on this given polynomial. So the constant is negative 4. So what are the possible factors of negative 4? So the factors are positive and negative 1, positive and negative 4, kasi 1 times negative 4 is negative 4, or negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Then the other factors, we have positive 2 times negative 2. So we have negative 4. Okay? Then you will get the numerical coefficient of the polynomial. So the numerical coefficient of x cubed, we have 1. So you will get the numerical coefficient in descending order. So followed by x cubed, we have x squared. So the numerical here is also 1. So ngayon, kasunod ng x squared ay x. And the numerical coefficient is negative 4. Followed by x is constant. So the constant is negative 4. So let us try x minus 2 as one of the factor of this. So try natin, factor ba yung x minus 2? So therefore, the value of x in x minus 2, equate that to 0. So x is equal to 2. So you will use 2 here. So you can write here on the right. Otherwise, you can write that on the left side. It's up to you whether you will write here on the right or on the left side. Okay? So ngayon, you will bring down the first numerical coefficient. Isulat natin sa baba after drawing a horizontal line. So 1 times 2, you have 2. Then add. 1 plus 2, you have 3. So 3 times 2, we have 6. Negative 4 plus 6, 2. 2 times 2, 4. So negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Since ito ay 0, so ibig sabihin, yung remainder natin ay 0, kaya yung x minus 2 ay factor nitong polynomial na ito. So, suppose we are asked to factor this completely. So, we will find the other factors aside from x minus 2. Okay, so pwede ninyong ituloy ito. So, kapag itinuloy ninyo ito, so, since ito ay positive lahat, so dapat ang gamitin natin na value ng ating x rito ay negative. Kasi hindi yan magsisiro kasi lahat positive yan. So, let us use negative 2 here. So, that is x plus 2. So you have x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of your x there is negative 2. Ayan. O, ganun uli ang gagawin ninyo. Ibababa ninyo yung ating first term. 1 times negative 2, you have negative 2. 3 plus negative 2, you have 1. 1 times negative 1, negative 2 I mean. So pag minultiply natin ang 1 at negative 2, you have negative 2. So 2 plus negative 2, 0. Okay. So we have only 2 numbers here. So that means this is our constant. Then we have here x. So this will be equivalent to x plus 1. So therefore, the factors of the given polynomial are, you have here x minus 2. The quantity x minus 2 times the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 1. So, yan ang mga factors natin, my dear students. Okay. So, there is another way so that you can easily determine the factor of the given polynomial completely. Okay. So, going back, using synthetic division, we have found out that the numerical natin ay 1, 1, negative 4, negative 4. And we'll use a while ago, x minus 2. And that is equivalent to 2. So when we transpose this, so x is 2. Okay? So yan, kanina, na-bring down natin, na-multiply sa 2. At nang inad natin, yung 1 at 2, we have 3. Times 2, we have 6. Pag inad natin, negative 4 plus 6, you have 2. Times 2, we have 4. So that is equivalent to 0. So, pwede nang, dito, i-factor ninyo itong trinomial na to. So, ibig sabihin, itong ating nasa huli, ito yung constant natin, ito yung may variable nating x, ito yung may x squared. So, if we will write this as a trinomial, we have x squared. So, 1 ang numerical, hindi na natin isusulat. So, we have positive 3x plus 2. So, nung natutunan ninyo nang kayo ay grade 8 at saka grade 9, factoring trinomial, so ang gagawin lang ninyo, ano ba yung factor ng last term? Anong factor ng 2? Factor niyan, na pag inad mo ay 3. So, ang isa sa factor ng 2 ay 2 times 1. Na pag inad natin, so ang sum niyan ay 2 plus 1 equals 3. So, na nag-satisfy sa ating middle term. So, ibig sabihin, ang factor ng x squared plus 3x plus 2 ay, yan, lagyan natin ang tigisang x sa ating unang parenthesis. So, this is positive 2. So, you will write positive 2. Then, this is positive 1. So, x plus 2 times x plus 1. Itong factor ng trinomial na to. Kaya, ang magiging factors natin are x minus 2, x plus 2, at saka x plus 1. Ayan. So, yan yung factors natin. Kapag nasulat nyo yung x plus 1 instead na x plus 2, pwede rin yon. Pwede yung magka-interchange. Kasi pag minultiply natin lahat ito, ang sagot yung given na polynomial. Okay? So let's have another example. If we are asked to factor x raised to 4 minus 10x squared plus 9 completely. Okay? So, ang ating constant ay 9. So, yung ating numerical rito ay 1 pa rin. Kaya, ron tayo magpo-focus sa ating 9. So, ang factors ng 9, so, positive and negative 1. So, palaging kasama sa factor ng kahit anong number ang 1. Kaya, sulat nyo kaagad yan, my dear students. Okay? So, yan. Pag minultiply natin, 1 times 9 is 9, negative 1 times negative 9, positive 9. Kaya yan. So, pwede rin 3 times 3 is 9. At saka, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. So, yan ang pwede nating magamit na factor sa ating given na polynomial. Okay. So, kung ano yung ating exponent, plus 1, yun ang magiging bilang ng ating numerical coefficient. So, ibig sabihin, so 4 plus 1, 5. So, 5 ang magiging numerical coefficient natin. So, on this case, meron lang tayong 3. So, 1 rito, negative 10, at saka 9. So, ibig sabihin, maglalagay tayo ng 0 doon sa nawawalang term. Okay? So, the numerical coefficient of x raised to 4 is 1. Ang kasunod ng x raised to 4 natin, x cubed. Walang x cubed, so you will write 0. Or para hindi kayo malito, isulat ninyo x raised to 4 plus 0x cubed minus 10x squared plus 0x plus 9. Ayan, para hindi kayo malito, pwede naman ninyong isulat na ganyan. Pero kung alam naman ninyo, okay, so ganun na lang ang gawin nyo. 1, 0. Followed by x cubed, you have x squared. So we have negative 10. Kasunod ng x squared natin ay x. So wala, lalagyan natin ng 0. And then we have the constant 9. Okay? So, pipili tayo rito kung ano yung gusto nating gamitin na value. So, halimbawa, ang ginamit nating one of the factor is x plus 3. Yan, x plus 3. So, we have x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, therefore, x is equal to negative 3. So, yan. Negative 3 ang isusulat natin rito sa ating gagamitin. Okay, so guhitan natin. So, bring down 1. Ibaba natin iyon. Then, yung mga magiging sagot rito, i-multiply doon. So, 1 times negative 3, you have negative 3. 0 plus negative 3, you have negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3, you have 9. Negative 10 plus 9, you have negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 3, so you have 3. So, 0 plus 3, you have 3. At 3 times negative 3, ang sagot natin roon, negative 9. Pag inad natin ay 0. Okay? So, ano pa yung ating gagamitin sa ating i-try natin naman ang, since 3 ito, try natin yung x minus 3. So, x minus 3 equals 0. So, transpose natin yung negative. So, bring down 1. So, times natin. 1 times 3, we have 3. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. 0 times 3, you have 0. Negative 1 plus 0, negative 1. Negative 1 times 3, negative 3. Okay? So, yun ang ano natin, factor ang x minus 3 kasi ang ating remainder ay nag-0. So, katulad kanina, pwede na natin itong isulat as a trinomial. So, ang ating constant, negative 1. So, ito ay x natin. Ayan. So, ito ay x squared. X squared, x constant. Since 0, so we have x squared minus 1. So, kung naalala ninyo, yung factoring the difference of 2 square, ang factor nito, ayan, maglagay tayo ng parenthesis. Lagyan natin ng tigisang x. At ang factor ng 1, square root ng 1 ay 1. Kaya lalagay natin ng isang positive at isang negative. So therefore, ang factors natin, kukunin natin lahat. Quantity x plus 3. Quantity x minus 3. Quantity x plus 1. And quantity x minus 1. So, yan ang factors natin. So, my dear students, kung kayo ay nahihirapan sa factoring, pwede namang yung ituloy ito. Ano? So, kapag itutuloy natin iyan, so, ang ating gagamitin, so rito natin ituloy, mga mahal kong estudyante. So, you have 1, 0, negative 1. So, ang ating last rito ay negative 1. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin gamitin x plus 1 or x minus 1. Kasi ito negative 1. So, kung gagamitin natin ay x plus 1 equals 0. So, x is equal to negative 1. So, x plus 1. Negative 1. Okay, so guhitan natin. So, bring down 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 0 plus negative 1, negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1, 1. Plus negative 1 is 0. Then ito yung constant, ito yung x natin. X minus 1 ang equivalent nito. Okay? Kaya ang naging factors, x plus 3, yon, x minus 3, x plus 1, and x minus 1. So, these are the factors of the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 10x cubed, 10x squared plus 9.